Put on the brakes. Ignition. Put into gear. Look, the car cannot be put into gear. I'm pressing the brake now.
The brake light at the back doesn't come on.
Okay, I have found the cause of the problem. When the car cannot be put into gear and the brake light does not come on when the brakes are applied, it is usually because the brake light switch is broken. Let's take it apart and take a look. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Press this buckle and pull it out gently to remove the brake light switch. I just bought a new brake light switch from the auto parts store. Let's install it back now. Aim at this hole. Insert it in. And then twist it. Plug in the white plug. When you hear a click sound, the brake light switch is installed. I'm putting the brakes on now. Check to see if the brake light on the back is on.
It's lit.
Put on the brakes. Ignition. Put into gear. Look, the gear was successfully put into. The problem has been solved. Have you learned it? Follow me to learn more about cars.